Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about the Kraft Heinz Company. Now, this on the daily chart is a good old-fashioned ascending wedge. So obviously, we'll be breaking down out of this sometime soon, but we'll have to wait and see if we do respect this lower trend line here. You can see that basically ever since back in February, we created this lower trend line, or actually mid-January. And then we respected that trend line here in late April. But we did not come down and touch that yet here in May. You can see that there was a little bit of support here right around the 43.40s, and it seems like that held pretty well, but yet we did not push really higher than the mid 44s. Barely touched 45 here back on the 24th. So we're going to see what happens in here and see if we can respect this lower trend line. That's going to be our main support right here at that 43.30 range going forward. Below that, there is a support down here, way down here at the 41.55 level. You can see that was resistance back in April. Resistance wise, it is going to be this 44.50, and then above that, it will be that 45 range, which is basically going to be the top of this trend line here. So we'll see what happens in here going forward. Those are your main areas of support and resistance to be watching out for. Just keep in mind, this is an ascending wedge, and it's been in one ever since basically the beginning of the year. So obviously we will be breaking down out of this sometime soon. It looks like we're giving up some steam now, but last time we gave up some steam, we just respected this trend line and then worked our way back up. So, I mean, it might just be kind of a reset before we work our way higher. Not sure. So we're going to see if we do hold that trend line or not. RSI 53, stochastics 46, meh, nothing really to worry about in here. So everything's kind of neutral basically. On the 30-minute chart, you can see everything's been super tight in here. Ever since basically June started, we had the 50 come over and it crossed under this 200-day moving average and stayed under it. But it's been super, super tight. So we'll see what happens in here as far as a moving average crossover, holds, whatnot. So keep an eye on your 30-minute chart for your 50 and your 200-day crossovers, and then watch these main levels on the daily, and especially keep an eye on that lower trend line there and see if we break out of this wedge anytime soon. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to check us out on social media. We have attached some links to our socials in the description, and we also have a swing trading service if you're interested. There's more information in the description below.